Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a professional YouTube brand account. A YouTube brand account, okay? We're gonna use Android mobile for create a YouTube brand account. So I'm gonna show you the easiest process to create a brand account easily in 2 minutes. Okay, first of all, open a browser. I'm using Chrome browser. Now go to youtube.com. Well, then turn on the desktop side option on the menu, the desktop side. Now go to your channel. Then you have to click on settings. Wait, there you go. Now you will have an option that create a new account, newer channel. Create a new channel. You'll have this option. Click on that. I'm gonna open with Google Chrome. Wait, we have to select desktop side option from menu, desktop side. Now it's going to reload, and there you go. It's asking for a brand account name. Okay, now give your channel name. I'm gonna use here a Transvaal tag. Maybe I'm creating a channel for my friend. Actually, okay. Next, done. It's loading actually. Okay, it's reloading. Okay, now we have to once again select desktop side. Wait, it's loading. Okay, we are actually done. Almost we've done. Now we're gonna select a logo for our YouTube channel. A logo, a profile picture actually. Sorry for the noise. You're going to studio.youtube.com. Well, I'm gonna put all the links in my video description to save your times actually. Well, we are in studio.youtube.com. Now we're gonna select a logo. Try upload on the profile picture. Wait. Now select your logo. Wait. I'm gonna select gallery, then album, then my logo. I'm gonna make a video how you can create or design a logo for your YouTube channel. So subscribe now. I'm gonna show you the easiest trick. Okay, you've done. Save changes. It's loading. Do you know what is the difference between a brand account, a brand YouTube channel, and a normal YouTube channel? Let me know in the comment section. I'm sorry for my internet connection, it's so slow, I know. Well, there we go. This is our new YouTube channel, not mine, actually it's my friend YouTube channel. Yes, successfully create a new channel with a new logo. Now I'm gonna create a playlist actually, a playlist about YouTube, how you can create a logo, how you can add banner, how to create a banner and everything, to upload a video, how to add end screen cards. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching guys.